How to fix temporarily locked PayPal account. So if you want to fix temporarily locked PayPal account, then this video is for you. First, head over to the PayPal website. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner. You will have the login button. You need to just simply go with the login button. This will direct you to the sign-in page where you can enter your email address and password. Just go ahead and do that. After entering your credentials, click on the login button once more. You might find that your account has been temporarily locked. This typically happens due to PayPal's security feature that automatically locks your account after several incorrect login attempts. It's a common safeguard to protect your account from unauthorized access. If you've recently been attempting to log in multiple times without success, then this might be the reason for the look. If this is the case, it's recommended to wait for about an hour to allow the system to reset. In the meantime, you can explore the option of changing your password for added security. To do this, you need to just click on the profile, which will be in the top right, or just simply go with settings. From there, you need to just click on profile settings and then navigate to the login and security section, or just simply go with data and privacy or security, where you'll find change password option. So in my case, it's under security, so go with security and then you will have the password option. You need to just simply go with update, which will be on the right side, or you may have a change option. Just follow the prompts to just change your password to something secure that you haven't used before and confirm the change. In situations where the temporary lock persists even after trying the above steps, it might be time to reach out to PayPal's support. You can begin by clicking the contact link on their website. You'll see options to message or call, or you can also go with the help section, which will be on the top. Choose the most convenient method for you. If you decide to call, PayPal can provide you with a one-time password for faster assistance, which is particularly helpful. When you speak with support, they may require you to provide specific details about your account and recent transactions. Be prepared to offer any necessary information to verify your account ownership, including documents that confirm your identity. Finally, once you've provided the information that they need, all that's left to do is wait for PayPal to review your case and resolve your issue. They'll notify you once your account has been unlocked or if any additional steps are needed. And there you have it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.